let's create a function my function, and here we are going to store a variable inside this function, that is x, and we have stored 400 inside it. So let's print x and let's call the function my function. So as we run it, we can see the output is 400. So let's create my function, and here we'll make a function inside this function. So let's store like above 400 inside it, and then I'm going to make a new function. Let's take it as inner function, and this inner function we're going to print x, and we'll call the inner function, and then let's call the my function also. So let's print it. So you can see the output is 400 itself. So now we are going to make a global variable, that is x, and we are going to store 600 inside it, and then let's define a function, my function, okay, my function, and then let's print here x, and now we are going to call the my function, okay, my function, and then again we will print the value of x. Let's print x. So you can see the output as 600 and 600. So let's change the value of x here. Let's put here 700. So when we are printing it, so we are getting 700 and 600. So you can see here it is first printing the my function, that is x is equal to 700, and then it is printing the value, that is 600. So let's use the global keyword. So we are going to define my function, and then we will make a global keyword, global x, and then let's assign the value of x as 900. Okay, let's call the my function, and let's print x. So you can see the output is 900. So here I am going to make a global variable, let's say 1000, okay, and then let's define a my function, and then we'll make the global x, and then let's make the value of x as 700. Let's call my function, and then let's print x. So you will see the output as 700 over here because the global x is used. We have taken the similar example over here also. We have taken x is equal to 700, but when we printed it, it has printed 600.